Greetings to all. We are going to understand about guarantee of a profit by one or more of existing partners or all the remaining partners. Under this, we are going to understand that one new partner, when he is entering in the business, he was given a guarantee that this much amount of rupees, suppose he is given that 1 lakh rupees will be allotted. If the firm incurred loss also, then he is given a guarantee that he will be getting 1 lakhs if firm incurs loss also, right? So here how the situation works out, that we are going to discuss. Now Ram and Shyam are partners and they approach Krishna that you be our partner, we will be sharing our profits equally. Krishna has put down condition that okay, I will be a partner of yours, but I should get 1 lakh rupees of profit every year. I should get 1 lakh rupees of profit every year, right? So in this case, they all are distributing. Now first year have come, they had incurred a profit of rupees 3 lakhs. Now 3 lakhs is distributed among them, so that comes with 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, right? So here there is no matter of any deficiency. Deficiency means what? Any less amount to Krishna. Krishna is getting as per the commitment. Now the very next year have come. In the very next year, the profit of the firm is 2,25,000. Now when 2,25,000 was profit, all the three have to distribute them, so it has come to 75,000, 75,000, 75,000. Now in this particular case, in this particular situation, Krishna was committed with 1 lakh and he is getting 75,000. So here there is a deficiency of 25,000. So that deficiency will be borne by Ram and Shyam in the ratio of 1:1, that is equal, that is 12,500 rupees. So here you can see on the screen there is a formula, there is a general entries which I have put down, that is guaranteeing partners capital account debit to guaranteed partners capital account. So who was given a guarantee? The guarantee was given to Krishna, and guaranteed by whom? Guaranteed by Ram and Shyam. So here entry will be Krishna's capital account debit 25,000 to Ram's capital and to Shyam's capital account 12,500 each. So this is a scenario of guarantee of profit by one or more existing partners. So now we are switching towards the sum. we are going to start. Amit, Sumit and Samiksha are the partners in sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Now their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. Now Samiksha's share in profit have been guaranteed by Amit and Sumit to be minimum of 8,000. Now Samiksha is given a guarantee that 8,000 will be given to you by anyhow. Profit for the year ended on 31st March was rupees 36,000. Divide the profit among the partners by preparing profit and loss appropriation account. So looking at the sum, very first thing we will be doing the working note, right? So here what we are supposed to do is, now what is the firm's profit? Firm's profit is 36,000. So very first thing, 36,000 distribute in 3:2:1. So have a look on the working note. Distribute 36,000 in 3:2:1. So that gives you 18,000, 12,000 and 6,000 respectively. Now guarantee was given to whom? Samiksha, that she will be getting 8,000. Now she is getting how much? 6,000. So there is a deficiency of how much rupees? 2,000. Now that 2,000 will be added to hers to make it 8,000, which will be taken away from the share of Amit and Sumit. That is deficiency. It is termed as deficiency. Deficiency of rupees 2,000 borne by Amit and Sumit in 3:2. So that will give you 2,000 multiplied by 3/5, that is 1,200, and same way 2,000 multiplied by 2/5, that is 800. So this way we have distributed all the things, that is we have distributed their deficiency, and finally they are getting 16,000. Amit was getting previously 18,000. 1,200 he will be handing over to Samiksha. So now his profit has come to 16,800. This will come to 11,200 because 800 she had given to Samiksha, and finally Samiksha is getting 8,000. So this way the whole scenario is over. Now have a look on the working of that. So now we have to show this into profit and loss appropriation account. So we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. First, as usual, transfer net profit and then distribute to Amit, Sumit and Samiksha. So 18,000, 12,000, 6,000 what they originally was getting, and then we have, this was original they getting, then we have worked out for deficiency, that is 1,200 is to be minus, and then 800 is to be minus, and 2,000 will be given. So looking at the sum, we have concluded that 16,800. Now this is 16,800, 11,200 and 8,000 will be given to Samiksha. This is presentation and the previous one was working. So this way whole answer will come. Now we will be switching towards another sum, that is sum number 28. Pinky, Dipti and Kaku are partners sharing 5:4:1. So their profit sharing ratio is 5:4:1. Kaku is given a guarantee that his share of profit in a given year would not be less than 5,000. So here the share of profit will be not less than 5,000. Deficiency, if any, would be borne by Pinky and Dipti equally. Now in the sum they had mentioned that Pinky and Dipti will be bearing the deficiency in the equal proportion. The profit for the year is 40,000. Record necessary journal entries, that we will do later on. First we will understand what is the situation. So here Pinky and Dipti and Kaku are partners with 5:4:1, and their firm's profit is how much? Firm's profit is rupees 40,000. Firm's profit is 40,000 and they are sharing in 5:4:1. Now Kaku is given what? Kaku is given a guarantee of 5,000. So very first activity we will be doing is that we will be distributing 40,000 rupees in 5:4:1. So that gives you 20,000, 16,000 and 4,000 respectively. Now who was given a guarantee? Kaku. So Kaku was given a guarantee that you will be getting 5,000, but instead of 5,000 he is getting how much? 4,000 only. So here to make it 5,000 we have to add 1,000 to him. So we have added 1,000 which will be taken from Pinky and Dipti. Here in the question, Pinky and Dipti in equal ratio. So here deficiency of 1,000 will be borne by Pinky and Dipti in 1:1. So 1:1. So 1,000 will give you 1:1, 500 minus and 500 minus. So ultimately our answer will be 19,500 because 20,000 Pinky was getting previously. Less 500, so 19,500. Same with Dipti, 16,000 minus 500, 15,500, and Kakuto will get same thing, right? So this way we have done the working. Now we have to pass the journal entries. So where for journal entries we had already have guaranteeing partners account debit to guaranteed partners. So your journal entries will be switching towards like Pinky's capital account, those who had guaranteed कि हम लोग तुझे इतना देंगे. So Pinky's capital account debit, Dipti's capital account debit to Kaku's capital account, right? So this way deficiency will be borne among the partners. Now comes next sum, 29th sum. Abhay, Siddharth and Kusum are the partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:2. Kusum is guaranteed 10,000 as a share in profit. Now Kusum was given guarantee that you will get 10,000 of the profit. Any deficiency arising, any deficiency will be met by whom? Siddharth. Now here Siddharth has taken a responsibility. Okay, if Kusum is not getting 10,000, I will be paying 10,000 to her. Now profits for the year ended is 31st March 2016 is 40,000 and 2017 is 60,000 respectively. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So in this sum they had given a profit and loss of 2 years. So we have to prepare 2 years profit and loss appropriation account. So we will be switching towards the solution and that will go on like this. So first prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year 31st March 2016 because two sums are to be done. First with the 40,000 sum and then we will be doing with the 2013 60,000 sum. First we will focus on 2016 only. So now looking at this, March 31st 2016, 40,000 is a profit, right? Now this is to be distributed among the partners in 5:3:2. So looking at this, 40,000 I am distributing. Now you are aware how to distribute 5:3:2. That is 40,000 multiplied by 5/10. 5/10 why? Because 5:3:2. So 5 plus 3 plus 2. So that will give you 10, right? So that is for Abhay it is 20,000, for Siddharth it is 12,000 and for Kusum it is 8,000. So ultimately Kusum was given a guarantee. If you have noticed in the sum, I am again moving to the question. Kusum is given a guarantee that she will be getting 10,000 pakka. Who will be giving this? Who has given a guarantee? So Siddharth. So when Kusum is getting only 8,000 in the year 2016, 2,000 will be given by Siddharth. So here from Siddharth we will be minusing 2,000 and we have to add in Kusum. So ultimately their conclusion will be Abhay will be 20,000, Siddharth will be 10,000. Previously he was getting 12,000 less 2,000, so 10,000, and Kusum will be 10,000 itself. So ultimately we have got our solution for 2016. Now we will be switching towards the solution for 2017. So now switching towards 2017, full focus on 2017. In 2017 the profit was 60,000. So again we have to draw P&L appropriation account for 2017. Look at this, profit and loss appropriation 2017. Now first transfer that 60,000 as per net profit transfer from P&L account. So I had transferred 60,000 over here. Now distribute in the ratio of 5:3:2. Same procedure, 60,000 multiplied by 5 upon 10. So 30,000, 60,000 multiplied by 5 upon 10 is equal to 30,000. Same way, 60,000 multiplied by 3 upon 10, so that gives you same 18,000, and the last 60,000 multiplied by 2 upon 10, so that will also be 12,000. So in this case Kusum was guaranteed 10,000, but she is getting 12,000, so there is no deficiency, so nothing is to be done with this sum. So that is more easy, more convenient for us. Now some practice sum I had given of Radha, Mary and Fatima. Just read it once, understand that it's the same sum as sum number 26 what we have done, and sum number 31 also I had given for the practice only. It is the same sum as 29 sum. These all are very easy sum and they are to be practiced. So this is to be done. Same way Arun, Bobby and Chintu are partners. Here also in this sum they are supposed to prepare 2 years profit and loss account, 2 years profit and loss appropriation account. It is as per hint number, sum number 29. I am writing the hint and everything, so it will be more easy and convenient for you people to do the sum. Then comes Ashok, Brijesh and China. This is just, now you have through with that, so now there is no need of hint also. You can do this sum by your own. Now come next sum, that is Ram, Mohan, 34 number sum. Ram, Mohan and Sohan are the partners with the capitals of 5 lakhs, 2 lakh 50,000 and 2 lakhs respectively. After providing interest on capital 10% per annum, the profit divisible are as follows. So here Ram is standing with half, Mohan is standing with 1/3 and Sohan is standing with 1 upon 6. Ram and Mohan guaranteed that Sohan's share will be not less than 25,000. किसने किसको गारंटी दिया है? राम एंड मोहन ने गारंटी दिया है सोहन को कि तुमको 25,000 हम पक्का देंगे. The net profit for the year ended is 2 lakhs. The 2 lakhs is net profit before charging interest on capital. So this profit we had earned is before charging interest on capital. So when we are starting the sum, we have to first transfer net profit in profit and loss appropriation account credit side. Then we will be charging interest on capital, and then the left amount will be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So first of all, profit sharing ratio is to be simplified, because here what they had given profit sharing ratio, Ram is half, Ram is 1 upon 2, Shyam is 1, Mohan is 1/3 and Sohan is 1/6. You can see I have shown the working over here. राम के नीचे मैंने हाफ लिखा है, मोहन के नीचे 1/3 लिखा है, सोहन के नीचे 1/6 लिखा है. आप लोगों ने देखा. नाउ इसका क्या करेंगे, हम एलसीएम निकालेंगे. So 2 3 and 6. So 2 3 and 6 LCM we will get is 6. Now we have to take a multiple of 6 in such a way that we get 6 as a LCM. So here 2 is there in this Ram, 2 is there at the denominator. So 2 multiplied by 3, so that gives you 3 as a answer. Then in the denominator of Mohan 2 is there, so 2 3s are 6, and in Sohan 6 itself is there, so 6 1s are 6. So ultimately our ratio will be 3:2:1. 3:2:1. So this way our ratio will be first simplify. Now we will be moving towards the solution of this sum. So for solution of this sum, what we have to draw is Ram and Mohan Sohan profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended on 31st March 2017. Net profit we have to first transfer. So net profit transfer is 2 lakhs. Of this, Now interest on capital is to be charged. Now in the sum very starting it is mentioned that the interest on capital is 10% per annum, and the profit which was given, you can see here point number, the net profit what is given is before charging interest on capital. So we have to charge interest on capital to them. So first of all 5 lakhs at 10%, 2,50,000 at 10%, and 2 lakhs at 10%. So all this will give you simultaneously 50,000, 50,000, then comes your 25,000, 50, 25 and 20,000 respectively. So our interest on capital will be 95,000. Now we are going to close the books of accounts because now no more adjustments are there. So 2 lakhs minus 95,000 will give you 1,05,000. Now we will be switching towards the working for distribution of 1,05,000 in such a way that Sohan should get 25,000 as per the guarantee. So in this case we are going to do the working. So have a look on the working please. First of all what I have done is distribute 1,05,000 in 3:2:1. So I have distributed this 1,05,000 in 3:2:1. So that gives you 52,500, 35,000 and 17,500. Right? Now what is a guarantee given to Sohan? Sohan was given guarantee that he will get 25,000. Now he is getting how much? Only 17,500. So 7,500 is a deficiency which is to be borne by, in the sum it is mentioned only, it will be borne by Ram and Mohan. In which ratio? No ratio is mentioned in the sum, so it is to be distributed in 3:2. Kaise 3:2? Because their whole ratio is 3:2:1, so we are going to distribute in 3:2. So ultimately 7,500 working will be this way: 7,500 multiply by 3/5. 7,500 multiply by 7,500 multiply by 3/5. 3:2 it is there, so it will be 3/5. So I have done the working over here, 3/5, and same way 7,500 multiply by 2/5. So 7,500 multiplied by 3/5 gives you 4,500. See here, I have written 4,500. And same way 7,500 multiplied by 2/5 gives you 3,000. So in this particular case, we have got the deficiency of 7,500 in 3:2. So that is to be now minus from that. So ultimately all are getting how much? So ultimately they are getting 52,500 minus 4,500, that is 48,000. So previously Ram was getting 52,500, but as per the guarantee given to Sohan, he will be getting now 48,000. Mohan was getting 35,000, he will be getting now 32,000 because 3,000 will be deducted and Sohan is to be adjusted. So Sohan is given the same amount. So this way our sum will get over. So now transfer that all to the respective partners capital account, partners capital transfer. So ultimately Ram's capital account 48,000, what we have done in the previous working, and that is the end of the sum. Okay. Now this is 36 number of sum. Amit, Babita and Sona from the partnership firm sharing profit and losses in 3:2:1 subject to the following. Now in this sum there is reversal. How the reversal? That is, now partner has given a guarantee to the firm. क्या हुआ है? Partner has given a guarantee to the firm that I will be helping you out and I will be managing this much of profit to you people by any of the cost. So I am reading the sum. Have a look on this. Amita, Babita and Sona are the partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. To the following. Sona's share in the profit guaranteed to be not less than 15,000. So very first condition was that Sona will be get not less than 15,000 rupees. Now Babita gave guarantee. See, listen, full statement. Babita gave guarantee to effect that gross fees earned by her for the firm shall be equal to gross fee of the preceding 5 years when she was carrying a profession alone, which is 25,000. यानी यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है कि बबीता ने बोला कि I was earning. Babita has said that when I was earning from my business alone 25,000 as a fees, profession fees, I am guaranteeing you that you will also earn 25,000 from my side. That is, मेरे साइड से तुम लोग 25,000 पक्का कमाओगे. The net profit, now read further. The net profit for the year ended is 75,000 and the gross fee earned by Babita and the gross fee earned by her is how much rupees? 16,000 only. Now what Babita has given a guarantee? Babita has given guarantee to the firm that I will make you earn 25,000. But originally she had earned how much rupees? 16,000 only. So there is a deficiency of 9,000. So Babita will bring this. क्या होगा? बबीता को ये लाना पड़ेगा. She had to bring to the firm from her personal way. From her personal way. You are required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So we are supposed to draw profit and loss appropriation account. So I am doing the sum. Have a look. So first we have to draw Amita, Babita and Sona profit and loss appropriation account for the year 31st March 2017. First of all, we will be transferring net profit. So net profit of the sum is given 75,000. I had already underlined in the question. Now I am transferring that to here, right? Now क्या हुआ था? बबीता ने गारंटी दिया था कि मैं तो तुमको 25,000 कमा के दूंगी. पर what happened? She was not able to. She was able to only earn how much? 16,000. So 9,000 she will be bringing to the firm. So have a look on this. Here, guarantee of Babita brought by her. Guarantee of Babita brought by her is how much? 9,000. So ultimately 75,000 plus 9,000. So final profit of the firm is how much? 84,000. And that working also I have shown. Here working I have shown, right? So this way it has come. Now in this case this is also done. Now in this case net profit is how much? Net profit of Amita is 42,000, Babita is 28,000 and Sona is 14,000. Now how come this have come? So 84,000 I had distributed. 84,000 what was the original profit? Now we have done original profit of 84,000. 84,000 I had distributed in the ratio of ratio of 3:2:1. In the sum it is mentioned 3:2:1. So 3:2:1 I will be distributing 3:2:1, right? So how it will come? 84,000 multiplied 3 upon 6, 84,000 multiplied 2 upon 6 and 84,000 multiplied 1 upon 6, because 3 plus 2 plus 1, we have a logic of that only. So that way we will be switching towards this. So transferring this, that will give you 42,000, 28,000 and 14,000 respectively. Now what happened? Now Sona was given a guarantee that she will be getting 15,000. Sona was given a guarantee that she will be getting 15,000 in point number 1. Don't forget that. Sona's share in the profit guaranteed to be not less than 15,000 in any year. So here 15,000 she will be getting. So we are now moving towards that part also. So here Sona is given 15,000, but she is getting how much? She is getting only 14,000. So there will be what? There will be 1,000 deficiency. So 1,000 deficiency. See, I have written a note also. Deficiency of 1,000 borne by Amita and Babita in 3:2. In 3:2 they will be distributing. That is 1,000 multiplied by 3/5. So that gives you how much? 600. So I had minus 600 over here. You can see, right? And same way, Babita is equal to same working 1,000 multiplied by 2/5. So that gives you 400. So ultimately, Amita will be getting now 41,500, Babita will be getting 27,600, and Sona will get 15,000. So this way whole structure has been over. Is that clear? Okay. So this way the story has been end, and this is the solution of this particular thing. Now through two sums I had given. These are the practice sum only from the textbook, sum number 8 and sum number 9. So you can do it now by your own, because this is little easy part of the whole chapter. So we can do it very easily. Thank you.